Hello, class. I just wanted to take a quick moment and really say I'm proud of everyone's work in week one. Let's keep that momentum going. Really appreciate all of the feedback, the messages, emails. That is awesome. I really love that enthusiasm. What I'd like to do now, we started week two. We're on the momentum. So let's keep that momentum going from week one. I want to touch on the practice problem that we have there. It's exercise 16.24. Want to work it out for you. I've actually set up some items in Excel ahead of time, but let's just take a look at this problem. I hope this helps with solving the homework problem. If you have any questions, let me know. There's another video there as well, whichever one helps. To get you on the right footing, please feel free to use whichever one. So let's take a look at 16.24. So I went in, I've copied and pasted the actual problem and the actual table that we'll use for this, which is table 4 in our textbook. It's the present value of a series, because this is a series of cash flows. So let's read the problem. So Jefferson County's Board of Representatives is considering the purchase of a site for a new sanitary landfill. So the purchase price for the site is $234,000, and the preparatory work will cost $88,080. So the landfill will be usable for 10 years. The board hired a consultant who estimated that the new landfill will cost the county $48,000 per year less to operate than the current landfill. So the current landfill also lasts 10 more years. Now, for a landfill project, Jefferson County can borrow the money from the federal government at a subsidized rate. The county's hurdle rate is only 6% for this project. So compute the net present value of the new landfill should the board approve the project. So let's take a look at this. We've got a new landfill. So the purchase price is the actual, it includes the price for the landfill, but also the price to prepare it for use. So it's actual use as a landfill to get it workable. That's at $88,080. Now the useful life is 10 years. The savings we see is 48,000. And when we talk about this hurdle rate, that's the actual minimum rate of return that they could receive for this project. So that's what's known as the required rate of return. So that hurdle rate is the required rate of return. So let's just take a look at this and see how this works out as far as the net present value. So we've got what we call the acquisition cost. So it's the acquisition cost of the site. So let's call that the acquisition cost of the landfill. So we've got that at 234,000. So this is written as a minus or negative because this is a cash outflow. So let's just put here prep work, and that's our what is it? $88,080. So then we've got our total cost. Let's put the total cost. That's going to be 234,000 plus this 88,080. So that's what we've got there. That's that total cost outlay. Now let's look at the present value of the savings. So we're going to look at that present value of the annual savings. So savings It's not easy for me to type and talk at the time. I'm not a good multitasker. So what we've got here, we've got we got the total value of the savings. We've got, let's see here. So we've got our 48,000, right? So let's find out using N. So our N is 10 years, so it's 10. We've got the hurdle rate is 6%. So N represents the period. So you got 10 years, 6% for the outflow. That's 7.360. So then we've got, this will equal the 48,000, and that's times 7.360. So there we go. So we've got 353,280. So let's look at our net present value of this project. And so let's see here. So we've got, we'll subtract this. We'll just, so there we go. Net present value of $31,200. It is positive, so that is looking good. So this is how we will solve for the net present value for this problem, the practice problem 16-24. I recommend take a minute, try it for yourself, jot down some notes, get familiar with the key parts of the problem, right? Keep in mind, when we're looking at the problem, think about the cash outflow. So they're looking to purchase this landfill. So that's cash going out. There's going to be costs to prepare it to actually make it a landfill, right? So that's added into that cost. So keep that in mind. So that's a cost outflow. So that's why we have that as negative, right? As negative. And actually that savings is positive because that's a cash inflow, right? So that's what we're looking at there. The N, it represents the periods, and this is over a period of time. So these are a series of cash flows. So I know everybody will do great. We're moving into the next phase, chapter 2. I know everybody will be awesome with it. I look forward to your questions. Don't hesitate to contact me with any questions. Otherwise, have a great evening. Thank you.